Today we'll be discussing DNA fingerprinting. At approximately 3:30 a.m. on 230 Yellow Brick Road, Dorothy woke up to a loud bang and ran downstairs to assess the situation. When she got downstairs, she witnessed a woman in a camp-style gown exiting through the back door. After the Poppy Girls task force searched the premises, they found a hair follicle left by the perpetrator. After a week of investigating the crime, the Poppy Girls task force arrested 4 suspects. The 4 suspects are as followed: Glinda, the Good Witch, the Wicked Witch of the West, the Scarecrow, and the Cowardly Lion. Here is the gel for the DNA fingerprinting of the witness, Dorothy, and the 4 suspects for the first locus. If we look at the DNA fragments for the Wicked Witch of the West and the Cowardly Lion closely, we can see that they match that of the crime DNA, while the DNA fragments of Dorothy, Glinda, and the Scarecrow do not. Let's take a look at the second locus. Here we can see that the crime scene DNA matches that of Dorothy, the Wicked Witch of the West, and the Scarecrow for the second locus. Though since the Wicked Witch of the West was the only suspect to have DNA match the crime scene DNA for both loci, the Wicked Witch of the West is the perpetrator. Let's look back at the gel for locus 1. If we look closely, we can see that Glinda the Good Witch accounts for half of Dorothy's DNA, meaning that Glinda is the biological mother of Dorothy.